Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Aparna, and in this video we are going to talk about women's. Since everyone knows that it's a Women's Day on 8th of March, International Women's Day. So here I am sharing my thoughts and experience, and also there is a small message for the women's around me. So now we are going to the video. You have seen the top women's around the world. Do you know how they have come to this point of their life? They choose to challenge. They choose to challenge themselves. They choose to challenge others. At some point in their life, they have faced gender bias or inequality, but they choose to challenge. So, in this video, I am going to encourage you to choose to challenge yourself and others. Change always begins with you and then from your house. If you want to change the world, you have to change yourself first. There are separate things that I want to tell to the girls or women and to the boys and men. So now starting from the girls, I am now sharing my thoughts and experience, but it can be completely different for you. Starting from the girls. Girls, sitting in your home and talking about the successful women's is not going to make you successful. Taking action is more important. Only by asking, fighting for your dream and challenging yourself is going to make your dreams come true. Only by driving your car of life yourself is going to take you to the road of success. Don't let others drive your car of life. If you let others drive, then they are going to take you to the road that they find is good for you. So drive your own car of life. Change is something that is not going to happen suddenly. Only by trying again and again, change is possible. Try challenging small things in your mind and then to your family. Try challenging yourself just by doing small things, and this small things is going to change your whole life. Now, this message is for boys. Have you ever considered the feelings of your sister, wife, mother, or girlfriend? Maybe many of yours answer will be in a yes. Here, I'm not talking about their education or their dream. Here, I'm talking about the small things that you do every day. Have you ever thought why your mother cooks for you, or cleans the house, or wash your clothes? I'm really guessing that answer of these questions that is coming to your mind is it's their work. That's why they do it. But think about it once again. Remember one thing, that cooking, cleaning, and washing is not their work, it's yours. Because it's you who wants to eat, it's your clothes that has to be cleaned. So, how it has become their work? It's simple. Your mother, your mother do that because it's their choice, not because it's their work. It it's their choice that they want to cook for you. It's their choice that they want to wash your clothes. So now I want to so now I want you to take the initiative to help the women around you. Work with them, help them, bring the resources that they ask for to fulfill their dream. Take the initiative to ask them what they want to become and help them in their journey. Fight with them, and also change your thoughts first about women's and girls. They are doing the things that they are willing to do, not because it's their work. And at last, I want to talk about the women around me. I want to thank them being there for me every time I needed them. Thank you for caring and loving me. You all were always with me when I was in my lowest point. You have encouraged me, taught me things that I am not going to forget in my life. I may sometimes fight with you. I may be busy in my life. I may be forget to call you sometimes. But believe me, you are something that has helped me to become who I am today. And the places you acquire in my heart is irreplaceable. Thank you for giving me your love and care. Thank you for encouraging me, for motivating me. So that's all for this video. Thank you.